I get your assistance?
Welcome back, guys. So today we're in a whole new environment. We're using natural sunlight, what God gave us, in Keisha's kitchen. We're in the Jones household. So today we are going to be making Korean corn dogs. So come with us and cook.
I've been asking Dowsley for these Korean corn dogs for months.
Yeah, I make these all the time. I never save any for Keisha.
Ever. Not one time has she ever saved me any.
Not one.
She saved me that. I could go on another rant.
Not a dog. Not a cheese stick.
Nothing.
So we got all the ingredients. Wash our hands, and then we're gonna get started with making the batter. So I'll put the ingredients down below because if I start talking, it's gonna be wrong. So we'll do all that, and then we'll come back. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay, let's go.
Mix, mix, mix till your life depends on it. This I can tell is a black kitchen. Every time I stop doing something, we start washing our hands. But so we're gonna put saran wrap on this. It's gonna go in the refrigerator for like an hour or so, pretty much until it doubles in size. Come on now, saran wrap. You making it seem like I don't know what I'm doing. You know how to use saran wrap? You pull it tight. If you don't know how to do saran wrap, blame your mother. My mom did teach me, but that's not the problem. The point is,
Well, I learned to cook from my father, so.
why won't this stay on here? That is just playing me for a fool. I know how to cook.
Sure you need a bigger, you don't need a bigger piece?
No! There's enough on here. You know what?
I think Dowsley needs a bigger piece.
I'll pick that up later.
Oh, man.
Stupid saran wrap playing me for a fool. I take it back. If your mom didn't make you use saran wrap, blame her. Because my mom should have taught me this.
I usually put 2 pieces on.
Listen, I'm struggling. I don't know. I'm gonna just do it like that.
So,
Being saran wrap got a beef right now. Because it's making me seem like I don't be making these stupid corn dogs all the time.
sure you do.
You know what? I don't even care anymore. Do what you want. This is the biggest bowl I've ever used in my life.
I didn't get a smaller one because I didn't know how big you wanted. I had one smaller.
That's fine.
Okay.
I'm
That's what we have to use too. You know, because the Jones house, we do everything big. We don't do nothing little.
I forgot Kendrick lived here. Okay. Get period.
You see how long it took her?
City girls won. All right, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator.
Where am I putting this? When you open it up, there's a spot for you.
Oh, okay. So then we're gonna have the little French fry, the French fry thingies on the outside. I'll put a picture, or you can just wait and see the finished product. But we're gonna cut up some French fries because that's what we're gonna roll them in. So the two that we're making regular cheese ones. Because Keisha doesn't like the vegan hot dogs.
I never had it, so I probably won't like it, but
yeah, I don't think she's gonna like it, so I just didn't even bring it. So we're just gonna do the regular cheese ones, and we're gonna do the cheese ones with the. Apparently, I was gonna say with the corn dogs on the outside, but yeah. So that's what we're gonna do.
And I'm gonna show you the TikTok. So I learned this on TikTok. Number one disclaimer: if you're not old enough, ask an adult to cut this. You shouldn't be using a knife. But okay, so I learned on TikTok. You know how when you cut, and then you be seeing the chefs. Well, hold on. I know I'm left-handed, but I cut with the opposite hand. Don't ask. So you know, usually when you have a knife and then you cut the fries, you know, when you want it to cut right, usually you do like this. But they taught me. Sorry, wrong thing. That you would do it like. Hold on, wait. You do it like. Yes. Yes.
I mean, I guess I should have recorded the hands.
You see how I'm not cutting myself, but I'm still able to cut the fries? Sorry, this knife's not that sharp.
Y'all need to usher in. I just had a ball, get it to ya. I just had a ball, get it to ya. Get it to ya. Y'all need to usher in.
I don't know what's going on behind me. But all I know is I wanna run.
Your body is calling me and something deep. Your body is calling me and something deep. I tell you, we cut up the bits.
The bits.
We cut up the French fries as a I don't do it. Make it aesthetically pleasing. Stop wasting fries. Okay. Well, we cut the fries. Now we're gonna cut the cheese. You don't need to know what brand it is. You don't need to know what brand it is. It doesn't matter. It's cheese. It's mozzarella cheese. We're gonna cut these cheese sticks in half. String cheese works just as fine as block mozzarella, and it's cheaper. So we're gonna do that.
Oh no.
How many did you open, Keisha? I opened 4 at one time.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I was gonna go back. I was just gonna make a joke, but then you were. Sorry. You know I'm not fast with these.
If all of these don't turn into corn dogs, I'm going to eat this cheese. It don't even matter. There, period. Period, Pooh. We're already halfway there. All right, we'll be back because we gotta let the dough sit in the refrigerator. We're gonna clean up our area again for the 7th millionth time. And then we also are gonna cut these skewers because they're too long to go into the fryer. And you know, we'll be back when we start.
Like this.
We'll be back when we start packing them. Packing them. Yep.
An hour later.
grease pop me, I'm dropping this phone. Whoa. Grease.
So we're still cooking them, but this is the French fry one. Almost said corn dog, and this is the regular one. So this is gonna be a very chaotic video because I forgot the breading, but I want to do a cheese pool.
You're a friend.
Loser.
See, terrible. I hate it here.
It's beautiful.
This is where we come to an end. This is the
So
end of
long.
the video.
Farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again.
I'm probably never gonna do another cooking video. I skipped a bunch of steps. Whatever. But I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you want to see next.
And comment below about that word I told you earlier. Can't remember what it was.
Please don't recommend any more cooking stuff. Please. Okay, bye. You thought that shit was on it.